Gondor full automatic ice cream wafer cone machine. Fully automated operation. Save time and effort. One-click operation and data recording. Mold size and shape are customizable. Automatic injection of batter into the mold. Press down and heat to form. Automatically collect waste materials. Fully automated production. Egg tray quality controllable. The shape of the egg tray is regular. High precision weighing control. Automatic wafer cone machine applicable products. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Hello dear Lola, thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working perfectly, it looks great, and everything came as it was supposed to be.